Hello everyone! My name is Tanmay Bakshi. I'm an author, TED speaker, algorithmist, and I love working with and developing machine learning algorithms. I especially love applying this technology in the fields where I believe it will make the most impact. And these are the fields of healthcare and education. Now, before I continue, I want to start off by saying a huge thank you to Mr. Yisa and all the great work that he and his teams are doing at the Creative Foundation in Winnipeg. I'm really looking forward to joining the Creative Foundation's anniversary celebrations in September in Winnipeg, and of course to offer my workshops to support the work of your organization. In fact, speaking of the anniversary, on behalf of Mr. Yisa and his teams, I'd like to invite you to the anniversary celebrations of the Creative Foundation in Winnipeg. Now, the Creative Foundation is not just limiting itself to Winnipeg or Manitoba or Canada. The Creative Foundation is really working hard to touch people across borders. Now, to share a little bit more about me and my passion, I've been working towards contributing whatever it is that I learn about the world of technology with the rest of the world for around 8 years now. And I do so that everyone has the skill required to be able to communicate with and create their own technology, which I believe is a fundamentally creativity-intensive task. And by providing everyone with this skill, humanity will be empowered to use technology for good and to make sure that technological innovation and societal adaptation scale hand in hand. And plus, not only is creating technology important, but it's also critical to understand what technology is, why it works, and what it specifically cannot do. And this is so we can abolish common but really detrimental misconceptions like that of artificial intelligence. Now, by doing so, we can make everyone more open to change and make more impactful projects possible. Just for instance, I'm using the power of my machine learning technology to create a system in the field of mental health that can provide early warnings for depression, specifically within the teen demographic. I'm also working on technology which will enable millions of dyslexic children and adults worldwide to read and write in a way that they're not left behind. I truly hope that together we can make Canada and the rest of the world a more connected, creative, and better place.